Never tried this, so let's dig into it. Literally. Look at that. How many of my viewers are familiar with Soursop? Okay, a couple fun facts about Soursop is it's native to the Caribbeans. As far as vitamins, it got B, C, and K, which is good for me because I just pulled my back the other day. And so it helps strong bones and muscles. It also has potassium and copper. Now, when I first got this Soursop, it was hard to the touch. But they said let it get like a peach. And now it's like a peach. You know, you could squish it with your hand. Now, I've never tried this, so let's dig into it. Literally. Look at that. Okay. It's different. This is a seed. Now, it's like a banana, pineapple, and hence a citrus. It's delicious, but it ain't cheap. That one Soursop that I bought cost me about $16. So it ain't cheap, but it's worth the price. Now, will I buy it again? Most definitely.